Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best Mast wireless tattoo machine review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Mast Pro Y22 Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast Pro Y22 Wireless Tattoo Machine frame made aluminum alloy, weight 138 gram, length 153 mm, diameter 23.5 mm. The Tour Y22 wireless pen used with custom Mast cordless motor, 8V 10,000 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration, more efficient and power saving than working more hours. This wireless tattoo machine provides 1200 mAh battery capacity, with working time more than 4 hours and charging time 2 hours, USB cable fast charging, 1-year warranty, and friendly customer service. It also 0.1 voltage adjustment from 5 to 12 volt, replaceable battery, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control, and more. This wireless tattoo machine equipped LCD display. You can check charge, voltage, working time, etc. Number 4. Mast Pro Plus Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast Pro Plus wireless tattoo machine made of air material, weight of 118 grams, height with 91 mm, diameter is 32 mm, lightweight, reduces hand fragile, more user-friendly. Make the better looking of that machine, more comfortable feeling. The wireless tattoo machine has 3.6 mm stroke length and cordless custom powerful motor, 7.5 volt 10,000 RPM, more power to running any size cartridges, energy saving that battery working more hours than cordless motor. The Mast Pro provide 32 mm sleeve grip, a low center of gravity, and a reliable grip make confidence and freedom of every move. The tattoo machine gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin, suitable for all skin types. This machine equipped 1350 mAh battery capacity. It can working 3 to 5 hours, very easy replace wireless parts. This tattoo machine equipped LCD digital screen and simple operation system. You can easily control this tattoo machine. Number 3. Mast Lancer Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast Lancer wireless tattoo machine frame made canvas space aluminum alloy, weight 156 gram, diameter 30 mm, stroke 3.5 mm. This Archer pen compatible with all sizes cartridges, needles, advanced gear system, that smooth, soft, and quiet operation, ideal healing results, gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin, suitable for all skin types. The Lancer wireless pen used with custom Mast cordless motor, 12 volt 10,500 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration, most reliable motor for Lancer machine. This tattoo machine equipped 1800 mAh battery capacity. It working over 8 hours, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control, and more. Powerful custom motor and no maintenance, suitable weight, and comfortable grip. The Lancer pen machine has LED screen, shows operating voltage and 0.1 V voltage adjustments, etc. Number 2. Mast Dragonhawk Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Machine. This Mast Dragonhawk Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Machine frame made of standard aluminum alloy and CNC carved, weight 200 gram, length 128 mm, diameter 32 mm, assembly by hand, effortless to cover and protect. The Fold Pro pen used with custom Mast cordless motor, 8V 6500 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration. This tattoo machine provide 1500 mAh battery capacity, with working time 5 hours and charging time 1.5 hours. It also this tattoo machine has LED display. You can easy voltage, charge, and working time, etc. This tattoo machine's professional advanced direct drive system, which is smooth, precise, soft, and quiet operation, flexible, for every style, gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin, Stable voltage and low noise give satisfied experience to you and your clients. Number 1. Mast Archer Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast Archer Wireless Tattoo Machine frame made of standard aluminium alloy and CNC carved, weight 186 gram, length 132 mm, diameter 32 mm, assembly by hand, one-piece body and seamless, effortless to cover and protect. This Archer wireless machine used custom Mast coreless motor, 12 volt 10,500 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration. It also one-piece body seamless, fast charge with Type-C jack, 2000 mAh built-in battery working 8 hours, and charging time 2 hours, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control, and more. This wireless rotary tattoo pen machine has visible LCD voltage screen, easily adjustable voltage. Mast Tattoo ink are professional quality, pre-dispersed inks that provide rich, bold, and long-lasting colors.